Okay, now we have an oblique image of 3 steps on the left, and we have to replicate whatever we see on the left hand side on the empty space on the right hand side by using our grid. And once again we have our starter lines, and this represents the corner right here. Now I'm going to start by drawing this rectangle right here. The areas shaded in green are whatever I'm going to see on the front view of the shape. So first I'm going to draw this line. Let's count the squares. That's 4 squares. Start from this point again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place your pencil on the end of the line and draw a line. Make sure to only draw light lines, light construction lines. Let's draw the vertical lines now. The first one's already done for us. Now that square, that line is only 1 square long. And let's join the ends of these 2 lines together to form that rectangle. Okay, now what I'm going to do is to draw the area which is shaded in green on the side of these steps right here. So let's draw this oblique long line right here on the side, which is inclined at 45 degrees. Now let's count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place the ruler at 45 degrees, basically from corner to corner of each square on the grid line. So place it diagonally like this, touching the corners of each square. Count the squares, so that's 4 squares. Place the pencil at the end of the line and draw a line. Now let's draw the vertical line. The vertical line is 3 squares upwards. Place the ruler at 90 degrees. Count the squares. Place the pencil at the end of the line and draw a line. Now let's draw this line going downwards but towards the left. So this line is 2 diagonal lines downwards. So place the ruler at 45 degrees downwards. Count the squares, 1, 2, and draw a line. Now let's draw that vertical line of the first step. So go 1 box downwards. Now 1 diagonal line downwards to the left at 45 degrees from corner to corner of 1 square. 1 line downwards at 90 degrees and another 1 diagonal line going downwards towards the left. Okay, so that's our side, the side of these steps. Now I'm going to draw this line at the back right here. Starts from this point right here, and that line is 4 squares long. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw a dot or place the pencil at the end of the line and draw a line. Now let's draw this diagonal line at 45 degrees, going downwards to the left. That line is 2 squares downwards, same as the other line, the one that we did before, the horizontal line. Okay, now let's join these two endpoints together. And now to complete the first step, we need to draw one line going downwards, one box long. Okay, now join the two corners together. And there we have our first step. On to the next step. Now we have to draw a line going downwards to the left, which is only one box long, one square long. Place the ruler from corner to corner and draw your line. Now let's join these two corners together. Like so. One line downwards and connect these two corners together. And then draw the final line, which is going downwards to the left, okay, at 45 degrees. Now here we have our 3 steps. Now to make the final answer be more visible, I'm going to go over all of the lines to make the outlines darker. And to avoid dirtying the paper, I suggest raising the ruler after completing each line rather than sliding it on the paper. Alright, now all is left for me to do is to shade the sides. Whatever I see on the front of these steps is shaded in green. Whatever I see from the top is shaded in red. Whatever I see from the side is shaded in blue.